Hi, I'm Brittany from prettyhandygirl.com, and today I want to talk to you about this mower that I've fallen in love with. I don't do a lot of product reviews on my channel, but I'm making an exception today because this battery-powered mower from STIHL, it's the RMA 460, has pretty much changed my life. I'm a general contractor, and when I have to mow the lawn on my properties, it can be a little bit challenging to muscle the mower into my truck, and then once I get downtown to the property, take it out. So I want to show you how light this mower is, and then other features that make it something that I really love to use.
Folding the mower handle down is super easy. You just need to loosen the two knobs on either side. Although the mower isn't weightless, at 60 pounds I can easily lift it and set it in my truck by myself. Before using the RMA 460, I needed my husband's help to get our gas-powered mower into the truck. When I got to the job site, I usually finagled one of my subcontractors to help me unload it. Another advantage of this battery-powered mower is not having to haul a gas can around, and anyone who uses gas-powered lawn equipment knows you inevitably end up smelling like gasoline after finishing the work. The STIHL RMA runs on the AK30 batteries. One port is the active battery being used by the mower, and the other port holds a spare should the first one run out. To see how much battery life is left, press the button on the top of the battery. The mower has a removable locking key to prevent accidental starts. The switch inside the mower activates the eco mode, which should help the battery last longer in shorter grass. Raising the mower height is easily accomplished using just one handle. The one handle will adjust all four wheels at once. To start the mower, press the orange button and pull back the handlebar. You can see how easy it is to start. No more yanking on a rope to start a mower. I had been using the STIHL RMA 460 mower for a month or so to cut the lawn at my flip property, but then we went on a family vacation for over 3 weeks and I came back to this mess. I'll let you watch the process of cutting this grass, which is about 12 inches high. Although I had to make several passes for each section, the mower powered through the super tall grass. To say I was impressed is an understatement. Although I had the eco switch turned on the mower, when it sensed the taller grass, it went ahead and returned to full power on its own. Now is a good time to give you a few more details about the RMA 460 mower. The mower comes with a battery and the charger. One charge of the AK30 battery is supposed to cut 3,440 square feet of grass, but in my experience, it cut at least 1/4 of an acre or more. The mower also comes with a grass collection bag. Simply lift the back flap on the mower and remove the plug. Then hang the bag from the mower and you can collect your grass clippings. I have to tell you, my husband has been cutting lawns since he was a teenager. He is really impressed by new lawn mowers, but I caught him trying out the RMA 460 and he told me he really liked it. Our teenage son has recently started cutting lawns, and the STIHL RMA 460 is the only mower he wants to use. Before trying this STIHL mower, I never thought I'd be happy using a battery-powered mower to cut our grass, but I truly am a convert, and this is the mower that I reach for when it's my turn to cut the grass.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.